Hi, it's Jodlyn here. I would like to welcome you to my video presentation about sampling methods.
We're going to define first the sampling method. What is a sampling method? It is the process of selecting a sample population from the target population. When we say sample population, it is called the study population. And the whole population is sometimes called target population. Sampling types has two major categories, the probability sampling methods and the non-probability sampling methods. Probability sampling methods has four types: simple random, stratified random sampling, systematic random sampling or the interval sampling, and the fourth is the cluster sampling or the multi-stage sampling. While non-probability sampling methods, we have three: convenience sampling, judgmental sampling, and the snowball sampling. We're going to differentiate probability sampling methods and the non-probability sampling methods. Probability sampling methods, all subjects in the target population have equal chances to be selected in the sample, while the non-probability sampling methods, where the sample population is selected in a non-systematic process that does not guarantee equal chances for each subject in the target population. Simple random sampling, when the whole population is accessible and the investigators have a list of all subjects in this target population. Example, using lottery method or using a computer-generated random list. Stratified random sampling, the whole population is divided into homogeneous strata or subgroups according a demographic factor. Example, gender, age, religion, socioeconomic level, education, or systematic random sampling or interval sampling. The investigators select subjects to be included in the sample based on a systematic rule using a fixed interval. For example, if the rule is to include the last patient from every 5 patients, we will include patients with these numbers like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. The last but not the least is the cluster sampling, or the multi-stage sampling. Population is divided by geographic location into clusters. Cluster sampling involves 2 stages. First stage of selection, a number of clusters are selected. And the second stage, all the units in the chosen clusters are selected to form the sample. And now we're going to discuss the non-probability sampling. So we have convenience, judgmental, and snowball sampling. Convenience sampling, the investigators enroll subjects according to their availability and accessibility. So therefore it's quick, inexpensive, and convenient. While judgmental sampling, in this method, the subject selected by the choice of the investigators. This method is widely criticized due to the likelihood of bias by the investigator's judgment. The last but not the least is the snowball sampling. This method is used when the population cannot be located in a specific place and therefore it is different to access this population. So basically, it is where research participants recruit other participants for a test or study. So once again, thank you for your attention.